Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best room door lock.
Extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 10, we have the BESTTEN keyed entry doorknob with lock. Upgrade the security of your doors with the BESTTEN keyed entry doorknob with lock. This interior and exterior door lock features a standard ball design with a stylish satin nickel finish. The all-metal construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance. With an adjustable latch, it can fit door thicknesses ranging from 1 to 3, 8 inches to 1-3/4. Each set comes with 3 keys, providing convenience and peace of mind. Installation is a breeze. Just remember to remove the pre-installed machine screws before mounting. Backed by a 3-year mechanical and finish warranty, this doorknob with lock offers both style and security. The BESTTEN keyed entry doorknob with lock combines style, functionality, and convenience in one. Its sleek matte black finish adds a touch of elegance to any door, while the adjustable latch ensures compatibility with various door thicknesses. The all-metal construction with satin nickel finish provides durability and a modern look. Moving on at number 9, we have the LOQRON keyed entry doorknob. The LOQRON keyed entry doorknob is a reliable and secure option for both exterior and interior doors. With its ANSI BHMA Grade 3 certification and durable construction, it ensures long-lasting performance. The doorknob is easy to install, thanks to the screw alignment adapter, and can be set up in minutes. Its standard size fits most doors, and it is reversible for both left and right-handed use. Whether it's for your entrance, bedroom, or bathroom, this doorknob adds a touch of sophistication to your home. Additionally, LOQRON provides trustworthy customer service. Overall, it offers great value for money and is highly recommended by customers. The LOQRON keyed entry doorknob is a reliable and affordable choice for adding security and elegance to your doors. With its easy installation, versatility, and quality performance, it has received positive reviews from customers. While some users may find the installation process challenging, the overall satisfaction with this product is high. At number 8, we have the XIUDI entry doorknobs with lock and key. The XIUDI entry doorknobs with lock and key is a stylish and durable door lock that is suitable for privacy in bedrooms and bathrooms. Made with stainless steel technology, this lock boasts a long service life and ANSI Grade 3 security. It is designed to fit doors with a board thickness of 1.18 to 1.97 and a door hole diameter of 2.13 to 2.36. The adjustable solid latch length ensures compatibility with both right-handed and left-handed doors. With its satin nickel finish, this doorknob adds a touch of elegance to any space. Easy to install and with 3 keys included, this lock offers convenience and security. The XIUDI entry doorknobs with lock and key is a great option for those seeking a stylish and functional door lock. With its adjustable latch length and compatibility with various door sizes, it offers convenience and peace of mind for privacy in bedrooms and bathrooms. The stainless steel technology ensures durability and longevity, while the satin nickel finish adds a touch of elegance to any space. At number 7, we have the solid stainless steel keyed entry doorknob set. The CML hardware keyed entry doorknob set provides a high level of security with its 5-pin solid anti-bump lock cylinder. Its durable stainless steel finish and solid construction ensure longevity. The adjustable latch makes it compatible with various door sizes. This doorknob is ANSI Grade 3 certified and backed by a 5-year warranty. With easy installation and free included keys, it offers convenience and functionality. Although some users have reported issues with the keyhole and a loud locking mechanism, overall, it is a reliable choice for enhancing the security of your doors. The CML hardware keyed entry doorknob set is a reliable and secure option for enhancing the security of your doors. With its solid stainless construction, adjustable latch, and anti-bump lock cylinder, it offers durability and peace of mind. At number 6, we have the Lanwanding stainless steel entry doorknob with lock and keys. The Lanwanding entry doorknob with lock and keys is a high-quality and durable doorknob set suitable for both interior and exterior doors. Made with satin stainless steel, these knobs are resistant to corrosion and built to last. The set includes 3 brass keys for added security. With an adjustable latch and easy installation process, this doorknob set is convenient and versatile. It comes with all the necessary mounting screws and instructions, allowing for a quick and hassle-free installation. Overall, the Lanwanding entry doorknob with lock and keys is a reliable and affordable choice for anyone in need of a secure and stylish doorknob set. The Lanwanding entry doorknob with lock and keys is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a durable and stylish doorknob set. With its easy installation process, adjustable latch, and high-quality construction, this set provides great value for its price. The included 3 brass keys and corrosion-resistant satin stainless steel knobs add an extra layer of security and durability. At number 5, we have the high-security bedroom doorknob with key. Upgrade your home's security and style with the doorknob with key for bedroom door locks. This high-security doorknob features an all-metal construction with a sleek satin nickel finish, adding a modern look to any door. It comes with 3 keys, making it convenient for multiple family members to access the lock. The adjustable latch allows for easy installation on most door sizes. With a 3-year warranty, this doorknob provides peace of mind that your investment is protected. The standard ball design ensures a comfortable grip and easy operation, while the satin nickel finish adds elegance and sophistication to your doors. Enhance your home's security with this stylish and durable doorknob. Overall, the doorknob with key for bedroom door locks offers a stylish and secure solution for upgrading your home's security. With its all-metal construction and satin nickel finish, it adds a modern touch to any door. The convenience of having 3 keys and the adjustable latch make it versatile and suitable for most doors. At number 4, we have the GOLDSEED satin nickel doorknob with lock. The GOLDSEED doorknob with lock is a durable and high-quality door lock designed for modern home interiors. Its satin nickel finish adds a touch of elegance to any room, while its easy installation makes it a convenient choice for one-person projects. This privacy doorknob is suitable for both right-handed and left-handed doors, with adjustable backset to fit all standard door preparations. It is not only compatible with wooden doors but also metal doors, French doors, and composite doors. Ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, offices, and more, this lock provides the privacy you need. The GOLDSEED doorknob comes with 3 keys for added convenience, and the company offers a refund or replacement for any quality issues. At number 3, we have the BAFUWEIY Fingerprint Door Lock. The BAFUWEIY Fingerprint Door Lock is a keyless entry door lock with a handle that offers secure and convenient access to your home or office. With advanced 2-in-1 fingerprint technology, you can unlock the door using your fingerprint or with the backup keys. The lock features a 160*160 pixel fingerprint sensor that can recognize your fingerprint in just 0.1 seconds. It also has a low battery reminder and can be USB emergency charged. The lock is easy to install and fits most standard US doors. It comes with a 12-month warranty and free lifetime technical support. The BAFUWEIY Fingerprint Door Lock offers a reliable and convenient solution for keyless entry. Despite some minor drawbacks, such as the complicated free passage mode setup and poor quality wire harness, this fingerprint door lock provides secure access with fast fingerprint recognition. At number 2, we have the Master Lock SLCHSR10B Door Lock. The Master Lock SLCHSR10B is a heavy-duty lever-style commercial storeroom door lock designed for Grade 2 applications. With its oil-rubbed bronze finish and black color, it adds a touch of elegance to any space. The lock features a 4-7/8" ASA strike and a 3-1/4" diameter trim, providing secure and reliable operation. Its removable through bolts allow for easy installation and maintenance. The lock has a 3-hour all listing and a 2-3/4 inch fixed backset latch for added security. The Master Lock SLCHSR10B is highly durable and suitable for high traffic areas. However, it requires a larger door hole than normal, which may be a drawback for some. And finally at number 1, we have the IVOCU stainless steel doorknob with lock. The IVOCU stainless steel doorknob is a stylish and secure option for any door in your home. With its high-grade copper lock core, this doorknob provides enhanced security and safety for your privacy. It is suitable for doors with a thickness of 1.3 to 2.1 and applies to latch lengths of 2-3/8. The silver stainless steel design is perfect for various rooms, including bedrooms, bathrooms, storerooms, and more. The easy installation process, complete with standard hole and accessories, makes it a convenient choice. The IVOCU doorknob is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, with customers praising its durability and beautiful appearance. Upgrade your door security with the IVOCU stainless steel doorknob.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.